Welcome to the GyrusAim Learning Cloud. In this video, we will review the use of the wizard. The items we will cover are launching the wizard, the 3 wizard options, and in adding employees, organizations, and jobs. First, let's launch the wizard. From the top right-hand corner, click on the wizard icon. The icon will then display the 3 wizard options. They are set up your account, add employees or learners, and adding training. Let's take a look at adding employees. From the employee add screen, you will have 3 additional options. They are set up an organization, set up jobs, and add employees. While it is not mandatory, it is very recommended to use the setup organization first, followed by the job. When you're setting up your organization, you want to think about all of the departments that your employees will be placed in. Click on Set up an Organization to take you to the entry screen. And create your first department. You have the option of giving a description for the department. You also have the option of assigning an organization name, as well as the option of entering an address. To keep adding departments, you simply hit the Create Another Organization. Once you have created all of the departments that you care to, you can move on to the next step, which is create a job. Now create your job name. And again, you have the option of giving a description of what that job entails. And again, while it's not recommended, you may want to give the job a number. You can also continue to add jobs by hitting the Create Another Job button here. If you have completed adding all of your jobs, select the Create Employee to move on to the Employee screen. Some of the fields on the employee entry screen will be mandatory, and you will not be able to move forward until the mandatory fields have been completed. The first field is the first name of your employee. Middle name is optional. Last name is mandatory. If you plan to use the email notification system within our application, you want to give it a valid email address here. Next, and this is a mandatory field, you must associate a unique employee number to all of your employees. Next, create their username and password. Next, you'll be able to assign that person to their roles, their organization, and their job. Out of the box, our application provides 4 specific roles. The role of student is automatically assigned to every employee that you create and is a mandatory role for using the training. Additionally, we have the roles of instructor, supervisor, and admin. You also have the option within the application of creating roles different from what we offer out of the box. Next, you will want to assign the employee to an organization. Simply take the drop-down and make the selection from the options available. Next, you'll want to associate this individual to their job. And then finally, you can associate it to their supervisor in the supervisory field. Once that has been done, you can continue adding employees or hit the Finish to complete. And that's it. Congratulations, you've now created an organization, jobs, employees, and associated them to all the appropriate areas.